Hello friends, today we are going to build budget gaming PC under 26,000 rupees. First we need to choose processor, which comes from AMD Ryzen 5 4600G processor with Radeon graphics, 6 cores 12 threads with max boost clock of up to 4.2 GHz, base clock of 3.7 GHz, AM4 socket and 11 MB cache memory.
Now it's time for motherboard. Here we have the AS ROG B450M HDVR 4.0 motherboard, AMD socket AM4/Ryzen series CPU/max 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory.
After this we are using ADATA AX4U32008 8G16 ASR30 AX4U32003 8G16 ASR30 desktop RAM XPG GAM XD30 series 8GB, 8GBX1, DDR4 3200 MHz RAD. For SSD we are using ANT eSport 690 Neo Pro 256GB M.2 internal SSD. Next for power supply we have Gigabyte P450B SMPS, 450W 80 plus bronze certification PSU with active PFC. And last for cabinet case we have Antec NX270 ARGB, ATX, mid-tower cabinet with tempered glass side panel, black. Thanks for watching. Kindly do like, subscribe and share our channel so as to get more videos from our channel.